Hi, pre-K and families. I'm Mrs. Downs, and I'm your child's pre-K teacher.
Hi, Pre-K. I'm Mrs. Johnson, and I'm the Pre-K aide.
We are so excited for a fun school year with you. We have some information to share with you. This is our daily schedule for virtual learning. Our live learning times are 8:45 until 9:15 for circle time and 11 until 11:30 for story time. Your child continues their learning in the afternoon with recorded videos and activities in Schoology.
These are the expectations for virtual learning. Please make sure your child has a quiet area to learn. Make sure there's no distractions, such as a TV or food. Help prepare your child to do their personal best.
We will be learning a lot this year. This year, we'll be getting ready for kindergarten. In literacy, we'll be reading, writing, and recognizing letter sounds. In math, we will be counting, recognizing numbers and shapes. Science, we will be exploring and observing.
We will also be learning a lot this year: social and emotional, working together, taking turns, and communication skills. We will also develop gross motor skills, such as running and jumping, and fine motor skills, such as cutting, snapping, and buttoning.
This is what our classroom will look like when you come to school in person. This is the large group meeting area where we have circle time, we read stories, and we do other whole group lessons.
Blocks. This area, you will build blocks with different kinds of blocks.
This is the dramatic play area where we will do pretend play, learn social emotional skills, and language skills.
Math and Science Center. This is where counting will take place, sorting, exploring, and experimenting.
This is the Art Center. Students will be creating, cutting, painting, and drawing. High five
To a great year.